My stock standard A1, a machine I've recommended in the past for being a really decent machine at a really decent price. But you probably already know that. Over the last few weeks, I've been printing a few handy desk accessories without the AMS system, which I now wish I bought in hindsight. But even without it, this thing has been ridiculously stress-free. And today I'm going to show you every clever little upgrade I've printed so far. The foundation of the desk itself is nothing new. IKEA Alex drawers with a good quality wood surface. Just getting placement sorted before I get printing. And I already didn't like the placement of my PC case. It felt overbearing on the work surface, so I put it to the side of the desk and raised it with a wooden box. And it's in the same style as the wood work surface. It's much better and it leaves me with more space on the desk. So I didn't like how low the desk monitor was, so it's time to print a Monitoriizer. And this Monitoriizer in particular, it's literally an old IKEA billy shelf with 3D printed legs. I printed each leg to lift the whole setup without wobble. And this raises the monitor to the perfect height for me. And this looks so much better than bolting a plank of wood to the wall. Now I need some charging options. So I printed this MagSafe charger clamp. It attaches neatly on the desk riser, holds my iPhone perfectly, and this has instantly cleaned up the front of my desk. Next thing I printed was a keyboard dock. I have a Keychron K2 keyboard. So whenever I need more desk space for filming, sculpting, or just plain chaos, the keyboard disappears underneath with a satisfying click. Now my headphones always seem to be in the way when I'm not wearing them. So I printed this minimal desk lamp that doubles up as a headphone stand. When the headphones are resting up on the stand, it creates a cool vibe with the built-in light. The lamp incorporates the Bambu Lab LED Kit 001, which I've had hanging around for ages in a drawer. I just knew that would come in handy at some point. Inside my Alex drawers is where things got a little bit obsessive. I built out a full custom Gridfinity system for my equipment. Now credit to Zach Friedman, the mad genius who invented it. If you're a creative person and you haven't printed Gridfinity yet, just know this, it will consume your soul in the best possible way. Every tool has a home, and opening the drawer now feels extremely therapeutic. So much so that I didn't stop there. I went on and started 3D printing some more Gridfinity bins for my acrylic paints. As you can see, I got pretty obsessive. Keys, AirPods, memory cards, and that one screw you have no idea where it's come from. Everything goes into this simple 3D printed catch-all tray. Sometimes the smallest prints do the most for your organisation. This one I designed myself in CAD. A PS5 controller mount. Clean curves, tight fit. I did a full breakdown of modelling and printing this in a previous video, so I'll link that if you want to make your own. I recently bought a small thermal printer from Amazon, just so I can print out labels really quickly and save on ink. And checking out some files on MakerWorld, I found this cool stand for it. So I printed that out too. Not 3D printed in any way, shape or form, but I just wanted to add an LED strip to the back of my monitor. just to give it a little bit more of a vibe. I think it works. Also printed this cool little 2-part plant pot. It looks great on the desk, and I'm actually printing 2 more to go elsewhere in the house too. Now, none of these upgrades are huge on their own. A bracket here, a mount there, nothing dramatic, but together they make my desk feel different. Cleaner, quieter, more intentional. When you remove tiny annoyances from your day, like hunting for headphones, clearing space, plugging stuff in, those frictions disappear and the fun stuff just starts getting easier. And when your setup feels good, you show up more, you create more, you try more. That's why 3D printing is so addictive. It lets you design your space around the way you actually work. If you got any ideas for what I should print out next, like cable management, drawers, mounts, lighting, custom organisers, leave them below. More prints, more upgrades, more experiments coming soon. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now it's time to just kick back and relax and watch some anime.